Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Alex Dobranowski. He is the CEO of HEALWELL AI Inc. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, AIDX on the TSX and HWAIF on the OTCQX. And HEALWELL AI will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase, taking place in Las Vegas, April 30th through May 2nd, 2024 at the Paris Hotel and Casino. For more information, to meet Alex, to see their presentation in Vegas, please register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Alex, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
Good. So good, Robert. Really looking forward to the event next week. And by the way, thanks for having me today.
Absolutely. It's great to have you. And we're also very excited to host you next week in Vegas. So this is actually our first time doing an interview together, though. So can you start us off with that quick overview and history of the company?
Sure. Would love to. As you mentioned, right, we're a senior listed company on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker AIDX. We're a healthcare artificial intelligence company that's focused on preventative care. And Robert, we effectively debuted 6 months ago, so October 1st. And since that time, we've done 3 successful financings. We've raised just under 30 million Canadian in the Canadian capital markets. We've done 2 acquisitions and 1 minority investment. And as a company focused on preventative care, we have incredible technology that can screen patient records and find patients that are at high risk of certain conditions. And one of our main strategic initiatives and why we think the time right now is super exciting in healthcare AI is we're focused also to grow from an M&A perspective.
Very good. So what would you say makes HEALWELL AI unique and different compared to some of your peers out there?
Great question, Robert. And I think, I'll start with just a quick note on credibility and artificial intelligence. So although we're a company that we effectively debuted 6 months ago, so we're a new company, right? We've had some pedigree historically in healthcare artificial intelligence, both commercially and also from being able to actually generate a really strong body of peer-reviewed evidence. And that's really from our acquisition of a company called Pentavere. So from a commercial perspective, where we stand out is we right now commercialize with really important commercial partners, some of those being life sciences companies. And we're working with right now 6 of the top 10 largest pharma companies in the world. And they don't just work with you, in a fly-by-night manner, right? You have to show compliance, feasibility, right? So that's a very exciting kind of growth trajectory for us in AI. And then the second, as I mentioned, we've produced some world-leading evidence, peer-reviewed research that has been published, right, that validates both the safety and the efficacy of our AI. And one more point, Robert, our trailing 12-month top line is now 20 million Canadian, and we're commercially active in Canada, the US, Australia, and New Zealand. And we have this amazing strategic partner, another senior listed company on the TSX in Canada called WELL Health Technologies. This company is the largest healthcare conglomerate in Canada. And we have an amazing relationship with this company where we are effectively, HEALWELL, the company I run, we're effectively the data engine for this massive healthcare conglomerate, WELL Health. And that's really important from an AI perspective.
Very good. And what's your background? I mean, prior to becoming CEO of HEALWELL?
Yeah. So, Robert, I'm a medical doctor by training. I left clinical practice in just around 2015, 2016, focused on that intersection of healthcare, technology, computer-assisted diagnostics. And I ran the predecessor company to HEALWELL, which I took public in early 2021. And then we transformed that company into what is HEALWELL now and effectively relaunched October 1.
So Alex, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the goals that you'd like to see achieved by the company in 2024?
Sure. I think our goals fall in 2 separate buckets. Number 1 is continue to execute organically, which we've been demonstrating now over the last 6 months. And number 2, one of our main points of strategic, objective is to grow through acquisition. So going forward, you're going to see announcements of us focusing from an M&A perspective in 2 buckets, acquiring targets that are other early detection artificial intelligence companies, And then also companies that are mature operating healthcare software and research companies. So there'll be some catalysts coming up of us demonstrating ideas from both those buckets going forward.
Very good. All right. Well, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on HEALWELL AI?
You can find a lot of our information, especially from an investor-oriented perspective, at healwell.ai. And then we also have our social media tickers, et cetera, that you can follow.
Very good. Well, Alex, thank you so much for joining me here today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And we'll see you in Vegas.
Thank you. Thanks, Robert. Looking forward to it.
Thank you.